if you want to manage your time more efficiently, so this sheet will help you with time boxing. It's based on the best technique available. So here you can see this section all important things, where you have to write down all the things you want to accomplish. And then we have top priorities. You can select top three priorities, or you can increase it, how many priorities in your list. And in this sheet you will see 5 minutes of time boxing, 10 minutes, and in 15 minutes also. And it's very simple. So and so let me tell you, this is hours, minutes, and the task description. So let's say if you wake up at 6, so you can write your tasks like wake up, getting fresh and brushing, showering, morning walk. I manage this kind of a task, but you can change it. So I have intentionally made it like this. So let's say if you wake up at 4, so it's best if you wake up at 4. So just put 4 here and just drag this value. And here you can see this sheet is like, now it's according to you, like it's 4. After 4 you can write the things 5, 6. So it's up to, it's based on 24 hours of clock. So 1 o'clock would be 13. You just need to understand this. And in 10 minutes also you can do the same things. So it's based on 10 minutes. You can do the same things. So if you wake up at 5, just put 5 here and just drag this thing. So 5, 6, like you can write. 15 minutes also available. So I think this is the best sheet, and this is quite easy to understand, easy to look. You can manage in your mobile phone also. You can download this sheet, link in the description, so you can click on it and you can download it, and you can manage your task more efficiently. Be productive. Have a great day.